This video is about converting decimals to fractions and fractions or mixed numbers to decimals. Let's start off with the easy ones, where we convert a fraction to a decimal value. Right here we have 25 over 32. In order to get this number, we simply take 25 and divide it by 32. In this number down here, we can take 5 divided by 8 in order to get the 0.625, and we put the 7, the whole number, in front of it so that this value here is the same as this value over here. Converting decimals to fractional or mixed number values is a little more complicated, but here's how. This topic is how to turn decimal values into fractions. You can see the number 0.3125. The 3 represents 3/10 of a whole. The 1 represents 1/100th of a whole. The 2 represents 1/1000th of a whole, and the 5 represents 10,000ths of a whole. So to change this number into a fraction, it would be 3125 over 10,000. But we will need to reduce it to make it useful. So here we see that 0.3125 equals 3125 over 10,000. To reduce it, let's divide both the numerator and the denominator by 25. And that will give us 125 over 400. But it can still be reduced further. So we'll divide it again by 25, and it comes out to 5/16. So the answer of what is the decimal value of 0.3125, that answer would be 5/16. Now there is a shortcut way to do that, and I will show you that next. Suppose I want to evaluate to a 32nd of an inch. I would take the original number, 0.3125, and multiply it by 32. That gives me 10. And then I put it over the number 32 so that the fraction is 10 over 32, and that easily reduces to 5/16. If I wanted more precision, instead of 32, I could put 64 where the numbers 32 are. If I wanted less precision, I could put a 16 where the 32 is in both places, and that would still give me 5/16. So this is a pretty easy shortcut, can make your life a lot easier. Now there is one other thing. This number starts off with a 0, but suppose it was 5 there, 5.3125. Then this number would have to have a 5 in front of it. And in this case, it will be 5 5/16.